Hi, my name is Peter Vox. I am the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993 here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with more cool videos. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section below and I'll get back to as many of them as I possibly and physically can. And most importantly, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Please check out the info in the descriptions below. Let's get stuck into the next question. Will the Ultimate Online Singing Course improve my singing? Yes, undoubtedly. The Ultimate Online Singing Course guarantees results in just 3 weeks if you follow the course's instructions, or your money back. Though you have to practice at least 5 or 6 days a week. That is what you have to do. You have to practice for at least scales for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and you have to sing for at least another 10 or 15 minutes to get the results, to improve your voice. Remember, your voice is a muscle, so we need to train it. These courses are designed step by step through every process for absolute beginners, hobby singers that have never sung before, all the way through to professional singers. We have 4 full courses: entry level, intermediate, advanced and professional. We also have 17 custom short courses covering numerous singing topics. Start at $14.95 US. Amazing value, because my private singing lessons are $120 each, and you'll be with me on all of the courses there. If you're a female as well too, we also have a female teacher with me doing the female examples on all of the scales through all of the courses. So step by step, absolutely fantastic value. But yes, your voice will 110% improve if you follow the instructions on the courses. Hope that answers your question. Again, most importantly, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, check out the links below in the description. But this is really the most important thing. Be good to each other. Enjoy your singing. Live with passion. And I'll see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Peace and out.